educators who are taking course in UP. They were asking me, Doc, is there a certification for certified strength and conditioning specialist? In the US, they give a certification. There's one faculty in UP for those who might be interested. They can approach Jeff Pagkuhan kung sino po yung gusto magpalista. I can forward it to him. He's the one facilitating and coordinating with regards to certification for strength and condition specialist. US-based po ang nasa-certify. Okay, sports nutritionists or dietitians. It's really vital, no, for us to coordinate with them. Why? Perhaps you have heard of carboloading or ATP. ATP is the first energy source for muscles. If our athlete does not have the right diet, component of either carbohydrates, protein, or fats, it may also be detrimental to them. There was an instance that there was a fad regarding high protein diet, Atkins. But right now, medyo nawala po sa scene, no? Kasi we have noted a high protein diet may have a bad effect for those who have kidney concerns. Or yung mga ergogenic aids, sabi ko nga yung caffeine, no? For those who are participating in international events, there's a certain level of which caffeine you can take caffeine. It will depend on the organizer, kanya-kanya po silang level. Okay. On our concern with regards to, we call it doping, you may have some athletes or player participating in an event, they do sometimes random blood doping. Ano po dinidetect nila? Steroids. Some athletes have asthma. Meron pong steroids. Those who have injury, sometimes give them steroids for inflammation. You must tell the organizers if and when your athlete has taken steroids in whatever form. Yung sa substance naman po, most of the chemicals that they test are amphetamines, even marijuana. I know it's a concern for physical educators because not only for physical educators, concerns also the community. Kaya nga ang program to move them away from this substance, this banned substance, we introduce them to sports. Sports psychologists, with regards to sports psychologists, minsan kasi ang concern pag naano yung site na term, mentally challenged, mentally ill. It is in the context, no, of improving performance. Helping them to cope up with the stress of injury, brought by injury. Give them emotional support, and particularly goal setting and motivation. What is the key term? Open communication. Although minsan may po ito na mahirap na establish, no? Minsan nagkakaroon ng concern, huwag ka lang pakonsulta kay Doc kasi magpa-participate. Pag sinabi kung hindi ka mag-participate ngayon, masisira yung programa. Or if an athlete participates in several events, minsan I tell them honestly, no, to give my professional recommendation. I do tell athletes, especially young athletes, I talk to their parents. I do tell them, my recommendations for your child not to participate in this kind of event. Perhaps after he or she has recovered in an injury, you may. Or I will tell them, particularly those who are into 7 events, you can participate in running events, but in jumping,